Well, aloha. It's Friday. Well, here we are. Friday. It's mid-June. Yesterday was the first day of summer, the summer solstice. I think it was around noon here in Southern California. So we're it. Summer has started. Weather's going to be warm this weekend. Stay cool. Don't forget, watch out for your dogs. Watch out for your kids. Don't leave them in the car. It's going to get hot here in Southern California. And actually, a lot of the United States is feeling the warmth. So it's a great time to go look at houses. Like I said, it's going to be a beautiful weekend, a little hot. You can find out if that house you're looking at has got good air conditioning. So, but let's talk about mortgage rates. You know, I think there's a lot of things have been being discussed recently. You know, the Federal Reserve met last week and didn't change their prime rate. And so chances are you're hearing a lot about mortgage rates right now. You may have even seen some headlines talking about last week's Federal Reserve meeting, which and what it means for rates. But the Fed really doesn't determine mortgage rates, even if the headlines make it sound like they do. And sometimes I make it sound like they do. The truth is, mortgage rates are impacted by a lot of factors: geopolitical uncertainty, which we have a bit of, inflation, and the economy, plus a few more things. And trying to pin down when all these factors will line up enough for the rates to come down, that's tricky. Then why is it generally not worth it to try to time the market? There's too much at play you can't control. The best thing you can do is control the controllables, what you have control over. And when it comes to rates, here's what you can influence to make your moving plans a reality. First, your credit score. Credit scores can play a big role in your mortgage rate. As an article from CNET explains, you can't control the economic factors influencing interest rates, but you can get the best rate for your situation. And improving your credit score is the right place to start. Yes, it is. Lenders look at your credit score to decide whether to approve you for a loan and at what interest rate. A higher credit score can help you secure a lower interest rate, making it even better than the average. That's why it's even more important to maintain a good credit score right now. When rates were with rates where they are, you want to do what you can to get the best rate possible. If you want to focus on improving your score, your trusted loan officer can give you expert advice to help. And I have a few trusted loan officers that can help you. Now, your loan type. There are many types of loans, each offering different terms for qualified buyers. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau said there are several broad categories of mortgage loans, such as conventional, FHA, USDA, and VA loans. Lenders decide which products to offer, and loan types have different eligibility requirements. Rates can be significantly different depending on what type of loan you choose. Well, when working with your team of real estate professionals, make sure you find out what's available for your situation and what type of loans you may qualify for. Again, I have a lot of lenders, well, I have a few lenders, and we can talk to them and find out what's best for you. Now, your loan term. Another factor to consider is term of your loan. Just like what with loan types, you have options. Freddie Mac says, when choosing the right home loan for you, it's important to consider the loan term, which is the length of time it will take you to repay your loan before you fully own your home. Your loan term will affect your interest rate, monthly payment, and the total amount of interest you will pay over the life of the loan. Now, depending on your situation, the length of your loan can also change your mortgage rate. Bottom line, remember, you can't control what happens in the broader economy, but you can control the controllables. Let's connect. Talk to me, Jamie Barber at Jamie Barber Homes. My contact information will be in the, what's it called? In the comments below. Sorry. Blank for a second. Beautiful sunshine outside, thinking about what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day. But for you, contact me. We can go over anything you need. If you're selling, buying, we can discuss loans, whatever is the best for you. And remember, it's going to be gorgeous this weekend. Going to be a little hot. So make sure you don't leave the kids in the car or the dogs. And if you've got a pool, go to the pool. If you don't know, don't go to the beach. But whatever you do, make sure you're looking at homes. And remember, it's Aloha Friday. No work till Monday. Well, of course, unless you're a real estate agent, you're in retail sales, or in your hospitality, then you're working. But enjoy the weekend. Have a great time. It's going to be hot. Stay cool. And don't forget, if you're looking at homes, it's a good time to check out their air conditioner. Aloha. It's Friday. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next weekend. Aloha now.